Hi, my name is Lily. I want to make a review on the Midanya rain shower system combo set. We've been using this set for over 2 years now, and there has not been any appearance of rusting or discoloring. This part right here controls from where I want the water to come from, the tub spout, the shower head, or the handheld spray. Let's start with the tub spout. Here it is at full strength. Next, we have the handheld one. And lastly, the shower head. Just look how thin and sleek this is. So beautiful. We are very happy with our purchase.